Hello, my name is Carlos Sanchez. I am 30 years old. I live in Madrid, Cundinamarca. I live with my wife and two cats. I work in the logistic company 12 years ago. In this video, I will my the comparison of my two cats. And the names of my cats is Mia and Tommy. Um, Mia, Tommy, yeah. Tommy is a boy. Mia is a girl. Tommy is alone here. Mia is short here. Tommy is brown eyed. And Mia is blue eyed. Tommy is Angora race. Mia is Persian race. Tommy is 5 years old. And Mia is 6 years old. Tommy is active. Mia is passive. Um, m- uh, Tommy, Tommy, I likes to eat rice. Tamia likes to eat tuna. Thank you.